Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful dip powder nail design. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder, Azure Beauty Red and Gold Dip Powder, Pro Dip Silver Dip Powder, and Cherael Sky Dark Pink. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. So I'm applying one layer of base to my whole nail and then dipping it into clear dip powder. This is an optional step, but I like doing it. This is used as a protective layer for my natural nails, as well as a way to build a foundation to start my nails. I'm using clear acrylic by Super Nail here. I didn't want to use my Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. They are from the same brand, but I didn't want to use it to build my nails, so I'm using the acrylic powder here. This one isn't super clear when encapsulating the nails, so I just decided to use it to build my nails, and then I will use the Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder to encapsulate the nails. So starting on my pinky nail, I apply base to the whole nail, and then I'm using the red and gold glitter dip powder to do a color block nail design. The colors really complemented each other and it looked really nice. Originally I wanted to do this nail design with Revel black dip powder, but I decided not to after 2 failed attempts with Revel black. I will link it in the cards to show you my failed design with the black dip powder. And I also did 3 layers of this design, but I only showed 2 layers. On the ring finger, I'm doing a French glitter tip, so I pour some of the silver glitter into Cherael Sky dipping tray, and then I apply base to my ring finger, and then I dip it into Cherael Sky Dark Pink. Then I apply more base to my nail, and then I slide my finger into the tray to achieve a nice French nail. Make sure and be careful while doing this, since you want to ensure that the French line is very clean and crisp. I realized that I was using the wrong side of the dipping tray to achieve a French nail when I was doing my middle finger. Well, it's wrong for me because of what I wanted. I didn't want it to be like that, you know. So the side that I'm on here is the shallow side, and I wanted to use the deep side, but the French nails still look good. The container I have here is also filled with Cherael Sky Dark Pink that I use when I'm using glitter, and I also did 2 layers of that. Now onto the middle finger, I'm doing the same thing but with gold dip powder. So I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into Cherael Sky dark pink. I use this dark pink first because it isn't contaminated with glitter. So that's why I'm using it first, and then when I place my finger into the gold glitter, I'll be using the other Cherael Sky dark pink in that small container right there. So then I apply base again to the whole nail. And then I slide my finger into the gold glitter to achieve the smile line. Eventually, you would see me turning the tray around because all of a sudden I was getting trouble with achieving a perfect smile line. So that is the only time I realized that it was on the wrong side. Then yes, I did 2 layers of that. And if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button down below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get the best tips and tricks for achieving beautiful dip powder nail designs. So on the index finger, I'm doing another color block nail design, and now I'm using the Pro Dip silver glitter. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2 layers. So the red was bleeding on the silver a little, so I just applied some base and then dipped it into the silver dip powder. I really couldn't do much because I'm using my non-dominant hand, so I did as much as I could. Now on the thumb, I am doing a chevron French nail, something simple, and I did 2 layers. Now I encapsulated the nails using Pro Dip clear dipping powder. I did 2 layers, but I only showed 1. Then I applied activator and waited for it to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing and buffing, and now I'm just applying Model 1's top coat to all of the nails, and then I cure it for 60 seconds. After I waited for it to cool down, I applied cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're gonna wanna check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!